Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Kia Sportage, and we're going to do the installation video for the chrome delete for the wheel as well. And this is how it looks after the installation. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Okay, so for the chrome wheel, same thing. We just want to clean the rim, make sure everything is clean, no dirt and no contaminants. So for this one, when we're starting off, you want to start off with the centerpiece first. So start right on the center and make sure you're matching each section, each layer of the rim. So tack it from the middle. So just like that. And then just curve it down. And now we work our way on installing each piece. So for this piece, you want to start off by aligning it first right in the middle. That way you know you covered the chrome. Start from the middle and then just work your way to the center here. And right away it should just cover everything. So once you place this, do the same steps that we did for this one to each other piece as well. So remember, just start off from here and work your way to each end. And now that we finished installing all of these, now we move on to this piece. With this one, it's the same thing. We're first going to start off from right in the middle and work our way to each end. And once you finish installing each piece, now we just use our heat gun to post heat all around. So that concludes the installation video for the chrome installation and the wheel. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.